Welcome to Farmhouse Italian Cooking. I'm Chef Tony. I'm here in LaGrange, Georgia with my sister Linda, and we're going to make, this is Linda right here. Say hello, my sister.
Hello,
And
Brother Tony.
Yes, that's me, her. We're going to make a recipe out of a book that I found. It's a Deep South recipe, and it's called blue cheese wafers. So hang in there, we'll get started in a moment. All right, the recipe book comes from Heart of the South Restaurant, okay? And what we got here is we have blue cheese, we have butter, all-purpose flour, and it's supposed to be walnuts, but I'm in favor of pistachios. So what it tells us to do, first off, is take the first 3 ingredients, put them into a food processor, and knock it up, all right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take these ingredients, put them in there. Here, you want to grab that one, Linda?
Sure.
And just toss that in there. Because the butter comes right out. See how that works? And then the rest of the flour. All right. Linda's going to go and knock this around back there. Go ahead and knock it down and see how it turns out. They say it's going to come out sticky. It says it in the recipe. So we're going to find out in a few minutes how sticky it's going to come out, if we can deal with it or not. Okay, Linda blended this up, made up the dough, and it's come out a little sticky. I'll show you what it looks like, right? Now the next step is to put the nuts in it and knock it down a little bit, but maybe a pulse at this point. So Linda's gonna take it, pulse it a few times, and get the nuts mixed into this dough, all right? That's cool. Yeah, that's going to work fine.
Okay.
That's going to work out fine.
I'll let you.
Yeah, go ahead. We're going to get everything out of here, okay? And this is a fancy food processor, you know. The cheaper ones, like the one that I have at my house, might be easier to get it out of there, right? So the nuts are almost mixed into the dough. So I'm gonna work it around and get the nuts incorporated in the dough evenly. Because what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna roll it up like a log. And then we're gonna roll it into plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about an hour and let it firm up. But it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty firm now. So an hour in the fridge, and it'll do very well. So we have the nuts all the way through. And they said original recipe was walnuts, but I like pistachios. I think they work very well in just about everything, you know. So I'm going to roll it up into a log. And we put it in a log like this. And whenever you're working with a dough like this, even some cookie doughs will come out like this. You roll them up in a log and you roll them in plastic, right? You let them firm up and then you cut them along. Now, our wafers are going to be about that in diameter. And then we cut it in 1/4-inch pieces all the way down. So if you want larger wafers, make a wider, a fatter log. And then you'll have larger wafers. But these are the wafers we're going to do. We're going to do them about that size. Maybe that size right there. I don't know what to compare it to, but about like that. So we're going to wrap it in plastic. We're going to put it into the fridge, let it firm up about an hour, and when we get it out of the fridge, we're going to continue the video. So hang in there. Thanks for watching so far. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, 350 in the center of the oven, and we actually tasted a couple of these biscuits, and pistachio, mistake. I should have never went to pistachio. Should have stayed with walnuts.
Or pecans.
Pecans would have worked better.
Yeah, with blue cheese.
Yep,
Yeah.
with blue cheese. Because the blue cheese and the pistachios kind of fought each other inside that wafer. So, you know, you try it. Sometimes it's success, sometimes it's not. And you learn as you go along. So I wanted to give it a shot, and next time I will put walnuts or
Pecans.
pecans in this recipe. I appreciate you watching. If you like what we're doing here, subscribe, ring the bell, and as always, you have a great day.
Thank you.